Hello guys. So how are you? So after long time I come. I think it is I think 10 days gap we have, but so far. But okay, it's okay. But I want to continue from here, and each and every day I will upload my videos to practice itself. I didn't I in a spell of 8 days I haven't practiced anything else. So be continue. I learn from this. If you are not continuing in your whatever you are working doing in your life, you you may suffer. Exactly, you may suffer, and you have to practice. And especially if you are using studying any language you have, whether it is a programming language, whether it is a communication language, what language you are studying, you must have to confident on it, and you have to practice and be consistent on this. So well, I am today I'm come with the confidence, and always listen well. Don't focus on the result, focus on the process. The process, it give you result. Okay, in the same way, if you are um, up to the stair, so you have to step by step procedure. Direct, you don't go to the top of the roof. In the same way, you have to practice each and every day. And one thing I want to say you, I will share you with some vocab parts that will, I think it might help you in oncoming days. You have also memorize it. Okay. So its time is around 1.5 minute. Okay, so must give me a feedback what I am going, and what which parts I need to improve itself. So well, you know, and it's only what I think, nothing come in mind. Okay, from tomorrow I want to say you, from tomorrow I will select a one topic, and I will focus on that and focus on a study on that topic. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.